So why are you blocked from posting on TikTok? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I will discuss with you some of the ways on how you can fix if you aren't being able to post anything on TikTok relatively. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Let's say that you're using TikTok normally as you do. You go ahead and then launch the TikTok application, and when you try to post something from the plus icon at the bottom, you find out that you're not being able to actually post anything. So that could be happening due to multiple reasons and not just one particular factor. So what could be one of the most primary reasons is because TikTok has likely restricted your actions because they might have noticed a spammy and a bot-like behavior. Maybe that you were commenting too much, maybe you were posting too much photos or videos, maybe you followed or violated some of the community guidelines from TikTok themselves. Sometimes you might have also received an account warning saying that your content violates the TikTok's community guidelines. So that is why it could be happening due to one of the most basic reasons, and as I said, it's due to this bot-like behavior. In order to fix this, most of the time just not trying to post too many pictures or just not trying to follow too many people at the same time is going to help, and sometimes also waiting up to 24 hours at the maximum can help you solve this issue. But let's say you've relatively waited for a long time and you're still not being able to post anything, then that could also be due to a couple of reasons. First, just come to your profile page from the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines on the top right, go to the option called settings and privacy. Here you're going to scroll down and select the option called report a problem. Now we're basically going to send a report to TikTok claiming that we're not being able to post anything when you are sure that you have not violated any of the TikTok's terms and conditions. Tap on the edit icon from the top right corner and again tap on the similar icon from the top right, and just go ahead and submit your form. And if TikTok thinks that your reason has a valid point and it's actually reasonable, they're going to get back to you with a positive solution. And hopefully this video helped answer your question as to how you can go ahead and fix if you were not being able to post on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.